Keto cauliflower mash. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients. 2 cups cauliflower florets. 1 tablespoon cream cheese, softened. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 clove garlic, minced. Salt and pepper, to taste. Procedure. 1. Boil cauliflower for 10 to 15 minutes, or until very soft. 2. Drain and transfer to a food processor together with the rest of the ingredients. Pulse until smooth. 3. Serve hot. Nutritional information. Energy 156 kilocalories. Protein 4.6 grams, 9%. Fat 12 grams, 72%. Carbohydrates 8 grams, 20%. Fiber 3 grams.